Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, today we will talk about batteries only which comes under auto ancillary. We have seen the details about batteries in last two sessions, but there is a separate market for batteries of e-rickshaws in India. So today we will try to focus about Indian e-rickshaw battery market. Why we are looking at it? Because if we have chosen a company which is a battery company, battery manufacturing company, so is your company is providing batteries to e-rickshaw? And what are the opportunities and what are the challenges in rickshaw market, we will try to see, so that it will definitely help you to take your decision in a right way. Indian e-rickshaw market valued $385 million. In Indian currency, it is 2900 crores. Already 42 lakh units, 42 lakh e-rickshaws are running on road. Projected growth in this sector is 13.2% CAGR. So by 2024, this industry will grow up to $722 million in Indian currency. The valuation of this industry will be 5,415 crores, Auto Expert says. How many more e-rickshaws will be there on road? We will try to see ahead. Delhi was dominating till 2018, but now UP is the biggest market for e-rickshaws now. Biggest number of e-rickshaws or largest number of e-rickshaws are there in UP. Varanasi is having 30,000 e-rickshaws on their road. Jaipur is having 25,000 e-rickshaws on their road. Nagpur is having 4.5 thousand e-rickshaws on their road. So this market is having huge potential. The penetration to tier 2 and tier 3 cities is still to happen. So this opportunity is there for e-rickshaw market and respectively e-rickshaws battery market in India. 2015, no rickshaw was used for loading purposes. In next 2 years, 3% market share or 3% e-rickshaws were used for loading purposes. But now there are several cities, few cities, in which 70% e-rickshaws are used for loading purposes. It means there are two verticals for e-rickshaws. One is for passengers and other is for loading deloading. So for these two purposes, for this both the purposes, opportunity for e-rickshaw is there. FAME 2 have announced in 2019. What is FAME 1? You can check the last YouTube video for batteries in the same series. To boost the sales and to motivate the manufacturers of battery, FAME 2 government have announced. Average life of batteries is 3 to 4 years, which OEM says, original equipment manufacturer says, that whatever vehicle we are providing, the battery in which the battery which is there in your vehicle will last for 3 to 4 years. So after 3 to 4 years, the market of replacement will be there for these e-rickshaws. And this is the opportunity for battery companies. By 2020-24, Auto Expert says there will be 40 lakh more e-rickshaws on the road. So if a company which you have chosen is providing batteries to the Indian e-rickshaws, then you may going on or you may going on a right path. So just check out all the details before investing in any companies. Today we will stop here. Thank you very much for liking our sessions. All these sessions are coming to you by SEBI and BSc IPF, so don't forget to say them thanks. Now you have to write your name along with the email address in the comment section. You are liking our videos, thank you very much for that. Same topic is available in Marathi and Hindi. You need to check the YouTube channel for that, and there is a separate series of automobile on YouTube channel. If you want to know in detail, you can check out that also. Thank you very much.